Okay, last segment here. So we're going to talk about the 0th law of thermodynamics. And so this is kind of related to algebra. So this is a postulate that you should remember from algebra, that if length C is equal to length A and length C is equal to length B, then length A has to equal length B. So you can try that with a piece of paper. So get a piece of paper, cut it to a certain length, and then label that one as piece of paper A. And then get another one and do the same thing and label that as piece of paper B. And you're going to find out that if A is this long and B is this long, then if you compare the lengths, they're the same. So therefore, A and B have to be the same. Now we could apply that concept to thermal systems, in which we're going to have 3 thermal systems. So you're going to have object A, could be a block of metal, and then you're going to have object B, which is another block of metal, and then you're going to have object C, which is going to be a thermometer. And so what we're going to do is take the thermometer and put it up against object A, and we're going to notice that it has a certain temperature. Then we're going to take the thermometer and put it up against object B, and we're going to notice it has the same temperature. So if object A reads the same on the thermometer as object B, then that must mean that the temperature of object A was the same as the temperature of object B. Now you're saying, who cares? I mean, this is pretty ridiculous. Well, it is useful because it's the principle behind which we can use a thermometer. We use a thermometer to measure this system and then use it to measure this system. And if the two systems are the same, or the thermometer reading is the same on both systems, the two systems are the same as far as their temperature. All right, time to take our quiz. So we'll take another break, and when we come back, let's take a quiz over what we've learned today.